So, bumili kami ng ice cream, ng ano, maliit na ice cream kasi matutunaw ka agad. Uwi naman kami ng Olonga po eh. Yan. Alright. So, dito kami sa may Pure Gold. Yan. Kasi, ubo naman sila. Ay, Superman! Yup! Ano mo to? Up!
I don't know how to steer this thing because it's so heavy.
It's so heavy. Up! Mami, help mo sila! Help! Heavy daw, heavy, sabi ng Superman. O, dali. Alright. So, ikot pa tayo dito sa may. Yeah! Come on, Superman! And Spider-Man! Uy! Just wait!
Alright.
Thank you! There!
Saan? This way. Dalawang kamay.
This way!
Okay.
Pag may pera ako, bibili lang ako sila ng gabi. Okay! Where? This way!
Me and
Alright.
living here. Look, this is the